Good job. Applesauce.
There's another big joke.
Yay.
What does the beetle do without bud?
What does the beetle do without bugs? Buzz.
Bud.
Buzz?
Yay.
I don't know.
So she has to run.
She can't fly, she has to run.
Yeah.
Applesauce.
I want to see it.
Yummy.
I gotta see it. It's really cool. Can I see it?
Ronan, is that good?
I'll give it right back, baby.
Ronan, do you like applesauce? He is serious. We are not talking at all. Here, Mommy help you get some real. There.
What does the person...
We're almost gone. It's kind of hard to dig it out there, isn't it? Mom, hold it.
What does the girl without nail polish for nail polish day?
What did she do?
Hmm.
Waxes instead of polishes.
No.
What?
She has colored her fingers with toilet
Toilet
Hmm.
spread? No. Nobody's gonna
I
do
hope
that.
we're not hearing this on the camcorder. The silly jokes your brother's telling. They're not really funny.
What does the
Are you having a good time?
for coffee in his cell?
Whoops. Here, Mama help.
No.
Mama help. I know, it gets hard when it gets down to the bottom.
Does the teacup have to run in for coffee in his cell?
There we go.
Running late? I don't know why. Tell me.
You get some of that goodness?
Because he needs to put underwear in his coffee. What?
You're getting very good, baby. Look at his eyes crossing when he goes to eat a bite.
What does the pen
Is it all gone?
ink in it?
Still a little bit in there, huh?
Dry pen. Pile it to straw.
Good job, baby. You are serious. I think I'm going to have to set the camcorder down to help you get that last bite or two out. Good job, Ronan.
What does
Say bye-bye.
what